There are three standard feet used for the TRIGA Max tensioned textile display system. The large foot is used wherever maximum stability is required. This includes freestanding walls, high structures, and any application where heavy accessories like LCD screens or shelving are used. The corner foot is used on the free ends of display booths or wherever the third toe on the large foot would be a tripping hazard. The small foot is used for box walls, corners of booths, and wherever space is limited. To connect the bottom pole to the foot, you will insert the connector with the groove lined up on the slot and then turn the collar until it's nice and tight. The top pole and the bottom pole are connected with a pole connector. Simply insert and again turn the collar until it is nice and tight. When fitting the bottom crossbar to the pole, make sure that the groove on the graphic rail is facing downwards and then wedge the crossbar onto the hub. To assemble the top crossbar onto the pole, simply wedge the crossbar onto the hub. The crossbars can be assembled onto the hubs at 45-degree intervals. When fitting the bottom crossbar to the pole, make sure that the groove on the graphic rail is facing downwards and then wedge the crossbar onto the hub. When assembling a wall, it's important to check that the straight ends on the graphic rails line up with the centers of the poles. The gap between the graphic rails should also be at its minimum. If the gap is too large, the print might bulge out, and if the graphic rails are off-center, the print might not work out at the ends of the wall. The tensioners are fitted to the crossbars by sliding them onto the mount rails. The graphic rails are assembled to the crossbars by slotting the rail blocks into the slots in the tensioners.